Lately, the COB LED studio lights that I'm reviewing are like my paychecks. They're getting smaller and smaller. Hi guys, thanks so much for visiting my channel Paradise Biz. My name is Dirk and this is the Zhiyun Molus G60. A COB LED light, in fact a 60 watt COB LED light in the size of a Rubik's Cube. I was very surprised about the box. I couldn't believe that there is a 60 watt studio COB LED light inside. Also in the box is the power adapter, the power cable, a quick start guide and the manual. We do have a reflector with a rubber diffuser and of course our light. And we do have a little net carrying pouch for the cables. This is how the reflector is set up, with the rubber diffuser pushed inwards. It would soften your light, but it's still a little bit harsh and the shadows it casts on the background are extreme. What you should do is take it off, push it outwards and attach it to your reflector. If it's bulging to the outside, it makes the light so much smoother. The shadows cast in the background are so much softer. Here's an example on how this looks with the diffuser pushed inside and bulging to the outside. It's a huge difference. If you're using it bulging to the outside, you can in fact use this light as a key light without any other lights surrounding you. Now I'm using the Molus G60 as my only key light. On the top right corner is a little orange button where you can power on the light. Left, we can adjust the lighting intensity in 1% increments, or we have a fast set option. If you push in the knob, you can go from 0 to 50% and from 50 to 100%. On the right side, we can adjust the color temperature. You can go in 100 Kelvin increments, or you can set it in one push from 2700 Kelvin to 5500 Kelvin. One more push would set it to 6500 Kelvin. And this is the color temperature range of this light, 2700 to 6500. The color accuracy of this light is in a professional level. We have a TLCI, a television lighting conformity index of 97 and a color rendering index of 96. Here's our power input when you're using the light with the regular cable. The good thing about the Molus G60 is that you can also power it here using the USB-C port. You can have a USB-C cable directly in a charger, or you can simply put it in a power bank, and that gives you even more flexibility.
Hello, my name is Nadia. I'm a fitness coach and choreographer.
Of course, you need to keep in mind the output that you're getting is only as much as the input is. So if you have, like me in this example, a 15 watt power adapter, then 15 watt is a fourth of 60 watt, so you can use this light up to 25%. In my case, my power bank did not even reach the 15 watt, so I stuck here at 24%. It didn't really matter because this light is so bright. The 24% that I got out was actually more than I needed for this kind of shoot. The fan is super quiet. I was using this light for 20 minutes through. I wouldn't hear the fan. And I was very surprised that after all this time I was still able to touch the light, to rest my fingers right here on the reflector. It was light warm, but it was not hot at all. Using the flip out handle, you can mount this light on a mini tripod and use it handheld, or you can mount it on a regular tripod. The only critical remark I have for the Molus G60 is that the adjustment of the light angle is not stepless. So here on this screw, it locks the angle of the light in place. It is a very travel-friendly mobile studio solution. It is great for product photography, and this supplemented reflector makes it actually really user-friendly and usable. And on their website, Zhiyun is offering even more diffusers and reflectors that are matching to the Molus G60. So take a look if you're interested. And this concludes my video about the Zhiyun Molus G60. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you have suggestions or questions, I'll definitely respond. Thanks so much for watching this video. Till the next time, stay safe and take care. Bye for now.